Hello everybody! So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to be doing a video tutorial of an editing app named VN This app not only makes you able to edit videos, but also photos. It gives you a lot of possibilities. So in order to start, you just need to click on the app. And once you have opened it, it will show you what you can see on screen. Now this tells you all the projects that you have. And to start a new project, the only thing that you have to do is click the cross that is inside of the blue circle. Once you have clicked on there, you will see how many projects you have left. Then downwards, you will have the option to become a VIP member. Now what this is it gives you a limited project, which I think it is very cool. But also the projects that are for free, they give you 100. So I wouldn't worry, because if you use 100 projects and then you eliminate some, you will have more. And also, if you click VIP, you will not have to see any adverts. Then downwards, you will see the tutorials. And if you click on the tutorials, they will guide you through the app. So if you're ever lost, there are tutorials that the app already gives you. With this app, you can do bits clips, stories, overlays, and even edit photos. So before clicking new project, as you can see, it tells me how many projects I have remaining, which is a very good thing as they tell you already how many projects you have left so that you can know and keep in mind. So as I click here, you will see all the videos that I have in my gallery, then all the photos that I have, all the videos and photos, also live photos and some memories. You can also click on stocks and you will see some images that the app already gives you for free. And then you just have to select an image. For example, this one. You can even make it bigger to check if it's the one that you want. And once you have checked it, you just click on the tick that is inside of the circle, and then you click on the arrow inside the blue square to continue. Now, in here, you can change how the image is perceived. So the size of the image. So you can get it in TikTok size, Instagram size, YouTube size, and so many others. It will automatically change the image as you can see in the screen. Now, you can also make the image last longer, and if you want a specific time, you can make and expand the image to see the seconds in a better way. You can replace the image, add a keyframe, and lock the image so that you cannot move it, duplicate it, and you can also delete it by just clicking on the image that you want. Now, as you have selected the image that you want to edit, you can change the filter. There are a lot of options. You can also adjust it manually. So you can adjust the exposure, the contrast of the image, the brightness, the saturation, the vibrance, its temperature, the hue, the saturation, and the lightness with each different color, the vignette. You can sharpen the image, you can change its hue, you can highlight it, you can add some shadows, and if it's a video, you can add noise reduction. Now, you can apply all these filters that you have done to this image to all the images. You can undo it by clicking on the cross, or you can apply it to just the image by clicking on the tick. Now, you can change the introduction of the image or how it is seen by clicking on where it says FX. Here there are many options that are free and that are very cool. Now, to rewatch the transition that you have made, you can just click play and you will see it again. You can also change where the transition is. So like you can change it to be at the top of the image, like so, or at the back of the image, like this. Once you have done the transition, you can do the same as before. You can cancel it by clicking on the cross. You can apply it to all the images, and you can apply it to just one image by clicking on the tick. Now, you can also change the BG, which is the border, and you can change the color of the border. As well, you can duplicate and split the image without having to click on it. You can crop the image. You can rotate it. You can make it in a mirror, so change it sideways, and you can flip it. You can also fill all the spaces, which you cannot see now, but if I change the frame ratio, you will see better. So it applies automatically and you do not have to change anything. Now you can also change the opacity of the photo. For instance, you can make it lighter or not have any opacity. Now you can make it zoom in, zoom out, and also you have more transitions and everything. You can cut out a person or move forward the image to make another transition. To add another image, you just have to click here. Then to add another image on top of the image, you have to click there. Go to add a sticker or stocks. Stocks is the images, and add another image, like so. You can also add text and add music. You can add music that you have downloaded, sounds that you have recorded in your iPad, or record yourself in the app. Once you have finished editing everything, you can see the complete video on full image by clicking here. Now, to save it, you just have to click here, and it will export automatically, although you can also choose to export it manually. Once you have finished, you click done, and it saves itself. This has been all. Thank you for watching.